This is the lift at Levin Library. It's an interesting call button. That sounds like someone's phone when it's not mine. Interesting. It's an SJEC MRL installed by Phoenix. It's an MRL.
First floor.
Logic cabinet. Let's go back down to ground. It's a capacity of 1,000 kgs, 13 persons. There's a few lifts in Levin, but this is probably one of the only lifts open on a Sunday. Just so happens that I'm in Levin on a Sunday, so there's not many lifts around that are open on a Sunday, but thankfully this one is open from 1 o'clock onwards. There we go.